Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, today we are talking about project structure of getx in Flutter. So there are the folders called controllers, models, route management and view. So number first is view. Here we will make all the UI screens of our project, and so this is the login screen. And controllers, here we will put all the controllers of our UI screens. Okay, so this is login screen controller. Here I made the function increment. So, and this is the models folder, models directory. Here we will make all the models of our project. And what is the model class? If you know about it, then that's good. Otherwise we will talk about in our next videos. But this is the basic structure of model class. And so let's come, what is route management? First we will come to main function. Here is the initial route. It means what will be our landing page of our projects. So here I made the route of it, and login screen route and sign up screen route. And what is the k? K is used for constant in Dart. Okay, so if this is the constant in the first, we will describe the k. Okay, and what is the get pages? You know, get pages is a function where we will describe the screen and assigning them the route. Okay, so sign up screen and assigning this to the sign up screen route, and login screen we are assigning this the login screen route. And what is the screen bindings? So let's come to main function, initial binding, and this is calling the screen binding class. So what is the screen binding class? It implements the bindings, and here we will initialize all the controllers of our project. Okay, so why we are initializing here? It means we don't need to make instance of a controller in UI screen. Okay, so there we are calling screen binding, and also we are calling in the all pages. Okay, so why we are calling here? Basically we are making the connection between routes and controllers. Okay, so this is the route screen and all the controllers which are described here in the screen bindings. Okay, so let's come the login screen here. So this is the instance of our login screen controller. So now we don't need to make it here because we made the screen bindings. Okay, we made screen bindings and initialize it here. So now we don't need to make it here. So now we can direct access the controller, and controller.increment is a function. Okay, so this is the function, and direct we can now access the controller. And what are the things in our controller we can access? So we don't need to make the instance. So this is the basic structure of our folders in getx: controllers, models, route management, views. So this is the controllers, this is the model folder, and this is the route management, all the routes. Okay, all the pages and constant routes and screen bindings, and this is the main function. So if you are run this, so this is the login screen, and direct we are calling this direct. Now we don't need to make instant of it. Okay, so we will meet you inshallah in next videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.